Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be doing this look here with this really beautiful bold lip. Honestly, this was like not even planned. I really wanted to create a look that incorporated a red lip or any like color on my lip because you guys know that I'm so into nudes and I'm always gonna be, but today's different. I love how this turned out, especially with the lip combo that I'm about to show you guys in the video. So enough of me rambling, let's head over and to the makeup tutorial. Alright, so in today's look, it's gonna be very simple, but we're gonna have a really bold lip, which I'm very excited to show you guys this lip combo that I've been loving lately. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna start off by prepping my face. I don't think I've ever prepped my face in front of you guys, so don't mind my breakouts. I love taking my kombucha facial oils, essence, sorry, not oil, and I like to take this and just pat it on my face. It's literally so refreshing for me when I do this. It's like a must in my skincare routine, and I never go without it. Like seriously, never. So when I'm, when I wake up and do like my morning routine, I always like to use the Youth to the People 15% vitamin C clean caffeine energy serum. This literally is magic in a bottle because let me tell you why. I feel like it really depuffs my skin because when you wake up and your skin just feels or looks really puffy and your eyes look super puffy too. This is really effective when it comes to that. I feel like as soon as I put it on, my face looks brighter and it looks so much like toned, if that makes sense. So I really love this serum from Youth to the People. It's my favorite. And this is actually my second time using the LMS Superfood facial oil. It's my second time, and the first time I tried it was really nice on the skin. I'm gonna put 2 drops and I'm just gonna apply this. Oh yeah, this smells really good too. It has definitely a scent, which sometimes I'm not a big fan of, but it's not strong, so I like that it's like not strong at all. And I just pat this. I've learned the hard way that you need to pat, you guys. Pat. Don't rub. Don't stretch your skin out. It really does damage your skin, and like especially around your eye area. I'm trying so hard to just tap in. And then you guys, this is not a sponsored video, by the way. I just got in their PR, so I'm very excited. Like Elemis is such a good skincare brand. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and I'm just gonna massage this. When I'm really close to my eye area, I pat in. The key to a good base always is prep your skin before. I feel like that makes a huge difference for when you do your makeup. It really just elevates your makeup skills, to be honest. Like I always prep my skin before I apply any kind of product. That goes for primer, foundation, concealer, anything. I always have to prime my face, and that's just a ritual to me. Like that is literally what makes or breaks your glam. So I really also invest so much in my prep routine, like even morning routine or skincare routine. I invest so much money in it because I know that that's gonna help my makeup just stand out even more, So I do recommend always prepping your skin before putting on any product. So yeah, that's like my #1 tip. I tell everybody this: prep your skin. So now I'm just gonna quickly carve my brows a little smidge. I feel like if I don't do this step, my makeup doesn't come out the same. So this is also a ritual to me. The last time I did a makeup tutorial, I was really like in a rush in a way because I think I had to do something after and I really didn't talk to you guys that much. Now that I have a set schedule, and also, by the way, I did get a new management team. For those that don't know or that don't follow me on Instagram, you guys should. I have every single social media link down below, so you guys can definitely go follow me. If you're in a management team, it's so much, I wouldn't say easy, but it's so much more less stressful, I would say, to get like contracts, PR, and all that kind of stuff. I don't have to worry as much anymore on getting like in certain PRs or partnerships, campaigns with different kind of companies. And I feel like I didn't have one for like a year. I was doing it all on my own. I was doing everything on my own, answering emails on my own, just basically like being like my own manager, which was such a good learning experience because now I know like what to look for in contracts or agreements and all that kind of stuff. They don't teach you these things in school, so I definitely had to learn on my own. And so I'm glad that that happened because now I'm a little more practiced and I'm a lot more experienced and a lot more smarter. I am happy that I did go through that kind of stage in my life where I did it all on my own, and I really did learn a lot just on my own, you know. So happy I have a management team. It's gonna be so much easier for me to film, to put out content, because I don't have to like constantly just check my emails and, you know, making sure that I follow up with companies or emails with companies, and it's just so much better now. So I'm very excited for that. Yeah, I just wanted to share that good news with you guys. What else has been new? I don't know if you guys have seen on the gram that, oh my god, this is so weird to say. So weird to say, but I have been posting like a little bit more personal things. Like, I never thought that I was gonna post, you know, my boyfriend on social media. I always told myself that I wasn't going to, just because I do like my privacy, and even like, you guys know that I don't really like show my family or like my siblings on my, and I have a big family, you guys. Like, I mean, I like it. I like that I do get to share, you know, a part of my life like that with you guys, like with my boyfriend. So weird. I've been single for like 2 years, you guys, which is crazy because I never, you know, thought I was gonna date again. I'm just kidding. So let me pause for a second. For today's eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use the new MAC Haute Couture, starting with Rosalia. It's such a beautiful palette. That video that you guys saw on the gram, I used this exact palette, so I'm very excited to show you guys here on YouTube on how I achieved that look. Again, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. So I'm gonna take this shade here in the palette. Oh, as I was saying, I never thought that I was going to post my, because that is personal to me, especially how social media can be. It's just so skeptical. You never know what can happen, especially when you have everything out there. Maybe I share too much information, or I don't know. My anxiety goes up. That's what I'm trying to say. These past couple of months, I haven't really like said it out loud and publicly. I've just said it to a couple of people. Like my best friend, my sister, and that's pretty much it, you know. But I've been on this like I've been like in this spiritual, mental, physical journey, and I'm loving it here, you guys. I'm so proud of myself that I'm evolving, and I didn't even write anything down because I wasn't prepared right now, to be honest. But I did want to make a separate video on that. A separate video as in like self-love, like working on my higher self, like attracting better. Yeah, just working on myself, being the better version of myself, doing better to attract better. And I want to do like a separate video to that because I've read a lot and I've done my research about it. I'm so excited because this journey I've been waiting for a really long time. But for me, I'm just in such a good place right now, and I'm just so excited for like my spiritual, and most importantly like spiritually just working on myself and self-growth. So I'm gonna take this shade now, the palette, and I will apply this here on the outer corner to make a little bit more of a depth. But I've been on that journey now. I'm still on it. I mean, honestly, you will never stop being on their journey because you learn new things every day, and that's growth. You know, when you learn something every day, you learn something new about yourself every day, and you do your research, you work on yourself. Wow, like you guys, I've been working out, I've been seeing results. You guys, like, that's so crazy to me. I never thought that I was gonna be into fitness and, you know, working on my physical. Honestly, I never thought I was gonna get this like into it. I want to be obsessed. I am gonna be obsessed with it. I know that for a fact. Like I said, let me know if you guys want to know a little bit more about my personal journey in a video. I can do like a Q&A maybe. Get ready with me, anything like that, just let me know on the comments down below and I will do one for y'all. Okay, so now that I have that out of the way, I'm gonna start to, oh, now the next shadow that I will take is this rose gold, beautiful shade. Like, and then if you want to intensify the color a little bit more, all you do is spray. What I like to do is like do a cut crease, and you can also apply it with your finger. I feel like that really does make a big difference. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna tap it in with my finger. That will really just get that in there. Look at that. And then I go like halfway with the eyeshadow. I don't go all the way in like that. And then I will just clean it up here. Oh shit. That makes a huge difference, y'all. Like, wow. And then I'm gonna take this Mario liquid liner in super black. And what I'm gonna do is just... Alright guys, so I already applied my foundation. I didn't film it because I literally just put my Born This Way concealer. Like, Too Faced should come out with a bigger size because this is magic. I love it. I always recommend it too. I'm gonna do my concealer. You guys, I've been loving this concealer. It's my favorite concealer at the moment. It is the Kevyn Aucoin Skin Enhancer, Sensual Skin Enhancer. And I can, you know guys, like, look at this, how full coverage this concealer is. It covers up everything, all your imperfections. I will blend it out with my Sigma sponge. Alright, so, and then I'm just gonna blend it out. Honestly, like, you don't have to blend for it to be like stay put. I really feel like this is such a great concealer for any skin type too. But I always like to highlight. I feel like a lot of you know that highlighting is my shit. And so I highlight with the Rare Beauty concealer. So now that we're done blending that, I will now go in with my cream contour. This is the Persona Cosmetics Bronze Multi-Stick in the shade Sahara. I like to blend this for sure. Like, this is something I never miss. I never want to miss because it really does shape your face. And also, it's very important for when you're taking flash photography. This will literally like help with flashback. I can go more into detail about it in a different video, like in a sculpting video. I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. Turks and Caicos Putty Blush. It looks like this. What I will do is take this brush here, swirl it around. Look how pretty. Wow. Right, so now for the lower lash part, I'm going to take this shade first. Shade that we applied all over our crease. And then I'm just going to run this through. I'm going to apply these lashes from BADDIE. These are the style Saucy. When I apply lashes, I always look down on a mirror. And then I just apply them. That just is so much easier for me versus like applying them like directly straight. And if they're not sticking, do not worry, do not panic. I've learned the hard way. It will stick. Maybe it's not tacky enough, that's why it's not sticking. Now I'm going to take my mascara and apply it to my lower lashes. So I would like to think that I do have long lower lashes. Sometimes in a good day, they look long. Sometimes if I don't use the right technique and the right mascara, they will look like non-existent. For today's lip liner, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Night Moth Lip Liner. And just gonna Alright, so after that, you guys, this lipstick is, I think, yeah, it's pretty pricey, but I feel like we all need that really good red lip in our lives. And this is it right here. This is the Givenchy Le Rouge Deep Velvet Lipstick. It's in the shade 37 Rouge Grain. But look at the packaging. It's velvet, such a beautiful lipstick. I love to see it on my vanity. But let me swatch it for you guys really quick. Look at that, how pretty. It's literally the perfect red. So I'm gonna swatch it now, or apply it. It's literally the perfect red. Alright guys, so that is it for this look here. I do see myself rocking this throughout the whole entire winter time. But I posted this look over on IG and so many of you like requested a makeup tutorial. And I didn't film a makeup tutorial, I only filmed the lip combo, and so many of you guys were saying to record this look, so that's what I did in this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know on the comments below if you guys want me to try a different look, maybe with a darker lip. But yeah, just let me know on the comments below. And yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed the look. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell notification button so you guys can get notified every time I upload new videos and new content. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye guys!